Hello everyone, this is Dr. Meenakshi. Welcome back to Dr. Meenakshi's Medica. So today we will see how to keep our gut healthy, because as Ayurveda proverb says, whatever our health is there, it will begin with our digestive system, that is Agni. According to Ayurveda, digestive system is known as Agni. Whatever our diseases or healthy status of body depends on Agni of our body. How we maintain our Agni is nothing but how we maintain our gut. So today we will see how we should maintain our gut in a healthy form, so that we will be healthy, because if our Agni is good, whatever the food we are taking, it will be digested correctly, one thing, and whatever digested food is there, whatever digested nutrition is there, it will be absorbed by our enzymes correctly, and it will be distributed, circulated in our body. So to be healthy, first we should keep our gut healthy. Before going to treatment, that how to keep our gut healthy, we will know what are enemies of our gut health. That is, what protocol or what routine of our life will vitiate or will disturb our gut. That is, drinking too much of cold water or too much of cold drinks will vitiate or will disturb the gut, or sleeping immediately after having meals will disturb our gut. And another thing is having food more than 70% of hungry, having over stomach full of food will disturb the gut. These are basic points which we do repeatedly. We will do these mistakes, and we will suffer from gut. The basic points which disturb the gut is these 3 points. Later, as the gut starts to vitiate, starts disturbing, rest all will join with it and it will hamper. These are the 3 initial steps which we do mistakes. By this, our gut will get hampered, and we will start the diseases. The diseases which are caused due to improper gut functioning are maybe autoimmune problems, or digestion issues, or sugar cravings, or sleep issues, skin rashes and allergies, and unexplained fatigue, unexplained weakness of our body. These all complaints will start when our gut get disturbed. So what our Ayurveda explains about basic tips to keep our gut healthy is, first point is eat healthy. Eat healthy means, I am not saying you should have always raw vegetables or raw fruits only, but whatever you are taking, eat in a healthy form, like nutritious diet. Especially it should include all the nutrients, all the multivitamins, or every, like what we say is delicious food. Delicious means not only tasty, all varieties, which includes all varieties of foods, maybe sweet, sour, like shed rasas. It should include all shed rasas. That diet will be as a nutritious diet or healthy diet. And next thing is, eat as much as possible fiber rich foods, because this is a fiber is an essential nutrient to a gut, which aids the good digestion. And next point is digestive spices. We have some sort of spices which are very good for digestion capacity of our body. For example, maybe garlic, or the probiotic like curd. It will include enzymes, particular enzymes or bacteria, which is very good for gut health. And next is warm water. Especially according to our Ayurveda, it says that start a day with 1 glass of warm water in empty stomach, so that your gut will be healthy and strong. After 1 glass of warm water in empty stomach, frequently you can have water intake according to your body capacity or according to your prakriti. And next point is dinner time. What we will do, we will have a late night dinner, and immediately after dinner we will sleep. But we should not do that. It should be a 2 to 3 hours gap from dinner to sleep. So have your dinner early, so that till you sleep, the digestion process will start its work and you can have a sound sleep. And another thing is sleeping time. As I mentioned, your dinner time and sleeping time should be between these two. You should have 2 to 3 hours gap. And also sleeping time means by having dinner at 10 or 11 and sleeping at 2, it's not a good. You should sleep before 10. Already I have made a video on your sleeping time, if you at what time you should sleep, and if you make late to sleep, then what will hamper in your health. I'll explain in that. I'll give you link in a description box, you can go through. And even water intake also, how much water intake you should have according to your capacity. I made a video, link will be in description, you can go through. So follow these tips to keep your Agni healthy according to our Ayurveda. These are included in a daily routine because these are dinacharyas. Daily routine we all will do this, right? But we are doing in a wrong way. Just correct it to keep your gut healthy. And one special formula, that is Triphala. This is a home remedy. Triphala means 3 phala, in which 3 ingredients are included: Amlaki, Vivitaki and Haritaki. This is one of the most popular Ayurvedic home remedy to our digestive system to make its functioning in a good way. It is known to improve our bowel movements and relieves constipation. It also helps the body in detoxifying and keep our gut healthy. You can use this home remedy, and also you should follow the tips whatever according to our Ayurveda I explained. So by following these tips, keep your Agni strong because it will keep you strong. And also if you are new to my channel, or if you are seeing my video for first time, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. And who already subscribed, share this video with your friends and families so that they too can keep their gut healthy and be strong. Thank you.